Hello, Tim Gerhards here with the Rail Saver. We've got a little dent in the frame rail from a headlight getting hit and smashing into it. So below the dent we have a weld nut. We're going to mark that weld nut with a pen through the weld nut. We're going to mark the hole. Come in with our step drill. Go. Good fit. Now we're going to take the Rail Saver, the metal finishing pad, put it right in there. Come on just past the weld nut on the other side. See, we're right here. We're lifting the damage out. Tapping down the high spots, bringing up the low spots.